Bugs. Stay down where it's flat. They're easier to catch.
I see one right here. That one.
Get him?
No. Okay.
Behind you. Right there in front of you. Oh, you got one. Don't squeeze. Is he standing on your finger?
Yeah.
That is cool. What's it called? Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. Be very gentle. What do we call those?
Lightning.
Lightning bug? All right, let that one go and then catch another one. Okay, go find another one. You caught him?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just look at him. Another one?
Yeah.
Oh, he flew away. All right, just stand here and look around. Look this way. Look around.
I just saw one.
You just saw one.
Oh, they're over there. They're over there.
Hey, they're over here too.
I saw one over there.
You saw one over there?
Yeah.
Where? Show me.
Oh. And then.
Nope, he's too far away in the bushes. Oh, I just saw one over here. Oh, right here.
I can't get him.
Oh, there's one right here.
What?
Okay.
What is cousin? Mama, I saw.
Oh, did you get him? I saw him in your hand.
I can't find him.
You can't find him?
No.
Oh, oh, you all right?
Yeah. Pick me up.
Pick me up? Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, Bobby, you all right? Look who's here!
Mommy, where's that? Oh, I saw one over here.
Oh!
Daddy!
Show me the one.
Mommy!